As DJI continues to dominate the consumer drone market, excitement is building over the anticipated release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Slated for a potential launch in early August 2025, this new iteration aims to redefine what a sub-2 49-gram drone can offer. Positioned as the successor to the already impressive DJI Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 5 Pro seems poised to deliver groundbreaking features, particularly in imaging, flight capabilities, and autonomous flight intelligence. To understand how much of an upgrade it represents, a head-to-head comparison with the Mini 4 Pro offers valuable insight into what DJI may be preparing to unleash next. Perhaps the most striking difference between the two models lies in the camera system. The Mini 4 Pro uses a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting detailed 48-megapixel stills and crisp 4K HDR video at up to 60 frames per second. This sensor, paired with a bright f1.7 lens and a wide 82.1-degree field of view, makes it a versatile tool for content creators. However, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to take a giant leap forward by incorporating a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This larger sensor would bring better light sensitivity, greater dynamic range, and potentially support for 5.2K video recording, enhancing not only visual clarity, but also post-production flexibility. Obstacle sensing is another area where DJI may be preparing to push the envelope. The Mini 4 Pro already boasts a full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, using a combination of vision sensors and 3D infrared detection to maintain safe navigation. While this was groundbreaking for a drone under 250 grams, the rumored inclusion of LiDAR in the Mini 5 Pro could be a game changer. LiDAR, typically reserved for high-end enterprise drones, offers precise depth mapping and excels in low-light or low-contrast environments where traditional vision sensors struggle. If true, this would make the Mini 5 Pro the first DJI drone in its weight class to feature such a system, allowing for more intelligent path planning, safer autonomous tracking, and likely the debut of an upgraded APAS 6.0 system. Battery life has always been a constraint for compact drones, but DJI has steadily improved this aspect. The Mini 4 Pro offers a respectable 34-minute maximum flight time with its standard intelligent flight battery, though real-world conditions often reduce this by several minutes. The Mini 5 Pro, in contrast, is rumored to fly for an unprecedented 50 minutes, thanks to a larger 33.5 watt-hour battery. This extended flight time would allow users significantly more flexibility for longer shots or exploratory flights, without worrying about constant battery swaps. In terms of range, while the Mini 4 Pro uses the O4 transmission system with a 20-kilometer max distance, the Mini 5 Pro is said to extend this to 25 kilometers. Despite these upgrades, DJI appears committed to maintaining the Mini 5 Pro's sub-249-gram weight. This is crucial because it keeps the drone in the lightweight category, exempting it from registration in many countries, including under FAA regulations in the US. Keeping such powerful hardware under this weight limit would reflect remarkable engineering, especially when factoring in the addition of a larger sensor, bigger battery, and lighter modules. In terms of usability, the Mini 4 Pro already supports features like active track, vertical shooting, and quick shots, making it user-friendly for both casual users and content creators. However, the Mini 5 Pro could raise the bar with a redesigned gimbal for smoother vertical video, gesture control supporting up to 20 commands, and an AI master lens mode designed to automate cinematic shots. The inclusion of a built-in microphone, while still a rumor, could appeal to vloggers seeking synced audio without external devices, further blurring the line between drone and camera equipment. On the pricing front, The Mini 4 Pro starts at a relatively accessible point for hobbyists and semi-professionals, but the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be priced between $850 and $950 for the base model, with Fly More combos possibly exceeding $1,200. This puts it in the same realm as some of DJI's more advanced drones. Yet if the specs hold true, the performance-to-weight ratio could still justify the price for many. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks to be more than just an iterative update. With a rumored 1-inch sensor, groundbreaking LiDAR integration, significantly longer flight times, and intelligent flight features, it could redefine the sub-$250 category. While the Mini 4 Pro remains an excellent and accessible drone for many users, those seeking superior imaging, smarter navigation, and longer endurance may find the Mini 5 Pro to be a compelling upgrade once it launches.